welcome to my vlog. In this video I'm going to show you how to make shawarma. Okay, chicken shawarma. Yes, you can actually make shawarma all by yourself instead of spending that huge amount of money to, you know, those joints now, those joints I used to buy your shawarma. Yeah, you can just sit at your comfort in your house and do your shawarma for everyone to get that juicy part. You know what I'm talking about of the shawarma. Yeah, and it's very simple. Just like you have your chicken breast. Yeah, if you can't afford the chicken breast, you can use a normal regular chicken. Just remove the bones. Just remove all the bones. You know what I'm talking about. Remove all the bones from the chicken. Yeah, that's it. If you remove all the bones, then you're done with the first part. You need your cabbage, you need your carrots, you need your sausage, yeah, your mayonnaise and your ketchup. Yeah, you're good to go with your. Then you need your pizza bread. Yes, that's the most important and essential thing you need for your shawarma. Yeah, the pizza bread. Yeah, and you can still make one. If you can't get one, you go to the grocery store and get your pizza bread. Yes, that's what the most essential thing you use for your shawarma bread. Yeah, so let's go now and listen. Let's watch the video of how to make shawarma bread. So come with me, let's do it together. Thank you. Okay, these are my cabbage, carrots, sausage. Yeah, it's very important. Yeah, that's my cucumber, ketchup, mayonnaise, yeah, shredded chicken, yeah, of course my pizza bread. Yeah, that's what you use for shawarma. Yeah, grate your carrot. Yeah, when you're done with that, you go straight to your cabbage. Yeah, it's essential you grate your carrots. Yeah, your cabbage, grate your cabbage. Yeah, it's not easy making shawarma, especially preserving those your vegetable. Yeah, chop all the vegetables into tiny parts. Yeah, this is my cucumber. Sometimes you can make it without adding your cucumber. It all depends on what you want. For me, I'm adding cucumber to my shawarma. A lot of people don't like cucumber. Okay, this is my mayonnaise. Okay, I'm just adding 3 spoonfuls. I'm just making 2 portions. Okay, and this is my ketchup. Yeah, okay, I have to mix them together. Yeah, so that turns my sauce I'll use for my shawarma. Okay, I had to fry my shredded chicken, yeah, and my sausage, yeah, so that it won't taste raw. You can do yours without that. So these are my ingredients after chopping them. So it's time for preparations on my chicken, my sausage, carrot. That's the pizza bread. Yeah, it's time for dressing. So for the dressing, I have to bring my pizza bread. Yes, so this is my pizza bread. Yes, turn it to the other part. Yeah, so for me to make it, I have to spread my mixed mayonnaise and ketchup, yeah, to my pizza bread. It all depends on what you want. Some might put it on a maybe bag, a nylon bag, yeah, then sprinkle it on it, but this is what I'm using. Yeah, I place my cabbage first, my carrots, my shredded chicken. Yes, when I'm done with that, I'll spread my mixed ketchup and my mayonnaise on it. Yeah, it's very simple to make. Yeah, so after putting that, depend on how you want it. If you want to pack, you put the whole mix your mayonnaise and ketchup. You can depend on your taste bud. Okay, me, I just need to. Then when you're done, you roll. So this is a pattern you roll. Yes, roll it first, adjust it backward, then roll again, then close. So when you're done with that first rolling, try to fold the bottom to cover, or if you want to leave it like this, if you have a foil paper, which I did a two pattern, then you just take it, make sure your pan is heated on the medium heat, then you place your shawarma there. Yes, that's just it. Is as simple as, when you place it there on your fry pan, make sure you wait for it to be golden brown. Once it's golden brown, your shawarma is ready. Just like that. Yeah, see me putting it on my pan. You can use your oven, you can use your whatever you want to use to do it. Yeah, I'm making a portion of 2. Yeah, I shred my mix first, my mayonnaise and my ketchup, my cabbage, then my carrots. Yeah, be generous with it how you want it. This, if this is a meal that you can eat and you can say, oh, you're not taking a lot of fatty stuff, that's why I use only 1 sausage. If you want to add 2 sausages, it's not bad, but you have to. We're talking about weight control here. Everything I'm making, I try to make it in portion so that you won't eat more. Okay, yes, place your sauce on it, then you roll. So this is just the pattern of rolling. Yes, adjust backward and roll. That's just how we do it. Yes, then the other portion I made is this one I didn't add my cucumber. So the other one I'm making, I want to add my cucumber to it. The cabbage, carrot, your shredded chicken, your sausage. I've already placed my sauce, then I'm adding my cucumber to my shawarma. That's just how to make shawarma. Very simple and easy. Instead of you spending that money, I can be taking with a cold glass of juice. Yes, you can take it with your fizzy drink, whatever you want to use to take your shawarma, you can use it for it. Yeah, this is me placing it on a hot pan, a medium heat. So when it's golden brown, make sure it's golden brown. It will just help to seal up that back. Yeah, that's my shawarma for you. So like, share, and subscribe.